Alrighty guys, welcome back to another episode of JWD Outdoors. Just getting the essentials ready for tomorrow morning. Damien's meeting up with me with his girlfriend, and we're gonna do some fishing. Got the power box ready to go, got the Vexlar all charged up, and we're gonna be going for trout and panfish mainly. Hopefully the trout cooperate, hopefully the panfish cooperate. Can't expect too much, I guess. This time of year has been kind of goofy, but with any luck, hopefully get some good video, and be running GoPros. With any luck, hopefully get some nice trout, and hopefully some nice panfish. We'll see you guys in the morning. Alrighty guys, we're now in the shack. We just got set up, everything finally. Pretty damn nippy out there this morning. Don't think the jaw jackers are really gonna cut it. I think they're gonna freeze up too fast, but we do have tip ups out. We're in the shack now though, nice heater running, keeping us warm. And we're just gonna jig, hopefully get some bluegills or panfish, but no tip ups yet. Keep watching, and if nothing, might move later on, but I'll give it a jingle here and see what happens. Oh. There you are. Good old coffee. There you go.
It's a monster. Oh, look at that one.
Little gilly.
Yep. Pretty little fish.
Oh yeah. What kind of bait are you using?
Berkeley Fusion.
Alrighty guys, I'm gonna get some more light in here. I'm just gonna throw this little tungsten on. I'm not sure if this is a Widowmaker or what. It's got some pink and like almost like a little lime green color. I'll be tipping it with one of these again, this little power bait for eyes, and get one on, see if we can't catch some fish. Let's see what we got to deal with. 17 feet of water. First drop. I love how fast these tungstens sink. It's like a bullet going through the water. They might not like this artificial right now.
Got plenty of live bait, so I know.
Yeah, I'll see if it stays like this out with the swap. Alright, well, that didn't seem to be working the hottest, so I'm gonna put on a wax, instead. Alrighty, there we go. Back reeling.
Decent one.
Nice gilly. Thank you. Just trying to GoPro. I got it on a little late, but smashed that tungsten. Nice gilly.
Good one.
Another
one for the pile.
It scared the piss out of me. Oh, here we go. Oh, no.
What?
Oh, here he comes. Come on.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah, it's fun. It's fun.
My reel is just jacked.
Oh, there you go.
Little largemouth. Not what we're looking for. Hey, buddy. There is a lot of fish down there right now.
Right off.
Oh!
Right on bottom or what? How high up?
Yeah.
I think that fish just snapped me off.
What?
I love you.
Yeah. What?
You too.
That fish just snapped me off.
Are you serious?
Yes, it hammered it. It was a big mark, too. I'm a little limited on jigs here. I gotta be careful.
Right.
Gotta figure out a new color. Maybe I'll try. Okay.
Like a black front,
Let's see.
pink and whitish back.
Well, that was depressing. Big mark. Lost jig. Gonna put a new one on. I believe this is another Widowmaker. It's like a neon orange, kind of like the last one I had on. Get it on and see what happens. There we go. Decent gill. Heck yeah.
Come on. Oh yeah, nice.
I didn't think they were very big.
Good eaters.
Real sounds healthy.
Nice gill.
That's a good one.
Alright, I want to crack. I don't know. This rod's deceiving, friend of mine.
Yeah. Decent.
Not terrible.
They're coming back.
I don't even think he's that big. Not too bad.
Borderline.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Well, if we're not quite close enough.
That's your lucky day, buddy.
If you can figure out how to get out of the slot.
Yeah, you got fish all over down there.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh
Boy, what happened?
That is the
That's
second
not good.
freaking time today. What in the
That seemed like it might have had some weight to it, huh?
A little bit.
God damn. I don't think I've ever said that before. Hey, oh boy. Hold on. Okay.
Bass. Little RG.
I feel like that's.
They smell so effing bad. Go, bro.
Oh my god.
Is that a good one too?
Yes.
We're down there.
There was.
Except, yeah, I was gonna say, except you gotta catch them.
Finally. A little small. There's a couple more down there though. Ooh, that sucker hit it on the jig. Ooh. What do we got here? Yeah, I'll keep him.
Well, I hope so.
Nice gilly. Add him to the pile. Oh shoot, more down there. There we go. God dang, that's a nice gill.
Oh, yeah.
That's a chunker right there. Nice gill. Those are the gills I like. Chunker. Yeah, it's a chunker. Oh yeah, nice gill.
There we go.
It's a slob. Hold on. Jesus. Nice.
That's a good one.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Let's see if we can find some more of them guys.
It kicks on a little bit better this
Look at the
afternoon.
forehead on that thing.
Yeah, that's a good one. Well, been fishing for a majority of the day. We got about 2 hours or so till dark, not even. And seems like the fish are starting to come back through. Been running the GoPro mostly for most of the day anyways. And hopefully we can get a few more before dark. I think we're at roughly 17, I think right now is what we're at. Somewhere in there, I don't know. But we're doing pretty good on the gills, so we're definitely marking some more fish, so see what happens. This is starting to look, or go towards the plan. The plan's starting to come together, that's what I meant to say. It's getting to be towards the afternoon now, and we're marking a lot more fish, and they seem to be definitely more aggressive than they were earlier today, which is good. Getting some nice gills. And I got a couple nice marks down there right now. Just feel like you almost need to have a few fish come in and they kind of feel the competition and they kind of race for it, and that's what's been usually happening most of the day. You get that one fish that just wants to beat everyone else to it. Easy. Take your time.
Oh, yep. Keep that one up here.
That's a nice gill. What the hell's wrong with the side?
Where?
Right where your thumb is.
Whoa.
It's a gill.
Oh, you got bit by something.
We got a little issue going on right now. The heater has melted the ice enough, so now we got fish swimming all over. So we're gonna take these guys and dispatch them. And we got quite a pile going on right now. Bunch of gills. Looking to be good. Oh boy, here we go. Ooh. Oh no. That's a nice gill. Nice gill. See that jig? It's like a little, what do you call them bugs?
Ladybug.
Kind of like a ladybug looking color. We got the ICEHOLEPOWER box over here to lighten it up a little bit extra. And look at the nose and the head on that thing. Just a bull gill. He's got a goofy nose and mouth on him.
Mm-hmm.
It's a stud though. Real nice fish.
Do you have it on there?
Frick no! Damn it! Oh, that feels like a good fish. There's no way that's not a bass.
Oh,
Yikes.
nice.
That's a good gill. I could have sworn that thing was a bass. That's a real nice gill. That's what we're talking about. Hell yeah. Alright, it's getting to be about half an hour, 40 minutes before dark. Alright, now we're using the Bad Mofo box by ICEHOLEPOWER to light it up. It's doing an awesome job. If you want to get yourself one or check them out, link the link below. And yeah, they're very, very handy, especially when it comes to this. Because right now it's getting to the point where it's hard to see our rod tip. Alrighty, well, that's going to be a wrap for tonight. We ended with 25 bluegills. Overall, it was a successful day, and we had fun. We got some video, a lot of GoPro video. Got a little bit on this camera, but yeah, definitely turned out to be better than I thought it was gonna be for the day. It's been kind of hard lately, but we're on them. Bite was good, and got a bucket to bring home to eat. Nice gills. So, anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode of JWD Outdoors, and hopefully we'll get some more content pushed out here real soon for you guys. And yeah, it's been fun. It's pretty chilly out here, but we're gonna pack everything up real quick and head back to the truck and head home. Thanks for watching, and always eat, sleep, hunt, fish. See you guys next time.